It's Miss Taylor here from the Putnam County Public Library. I wanted to share a video with you today showing you a fun activity that you can do outside. So we're going to make sidewalk chalk paint. So first you'll need some cornstarch, just some water, and third, some food coloring. And then for the tools you'll need a bowl for mixing and either a spoon or a fork. A fork is actually really nice to get the lumps out of your mixture. So this recipe, it's not very precise, so it's super easy and you can't really make a mistake with it. You'll basically want to do 1 part cornstarch to 1 part water. So if you want to do 1 cup of cornstarch, you would add 1 cup of water. So you'll add those together in your bowl and mix them up. Like I said, a fork is really great for getting all the lumps out. You'll want your mixture to be a little bit thicker than normal plain water is. So if you feel like your paint is too runny, you can add more cornstarch. If you feel like it's really thick and hard to use, you can add more water. Food coloring, of course, if you've ever cooked with it and gotten it on your hands, you'll know that it can stain. It will eventually come off your skin, but it can permanently stain cloth. So you'll want to make sure that you're wearing play clothes that are okay to get dirty. And as far as where to paint with your sidewalk chalk paint, you'll want to do it out on like cement or asphalt that's out in the weather, so that the rain can help just naturally wash it away. If you're worried about stains, grown-ups, the more pastel your paint is, the less likely it is to stain. So you'll want to monitor the amount of food coloring that's going into it. Alternatively, you can also use Kool-Aid mix. So just the dry powder that comes in a little Kool-Aid pouch. And the nice thing about that is it adds a nice scent to your paint. So let's see, I'm going to show you. If you can see here, there's my paint. It's blue because that's my favorite color. You can use brushes if you have them. I would recommend brushes for older kids because it takes a bit more patience, because you have to really get a lot of paint onto your brush for it to work well. And I think actually the best tool for painting with this paint is a spoon. So you can do just kind of like drip paint and drip it onto the sidewalk in cool designs. And one other fun tool I have my little shovel here. You could also paint with these. And lastly, the nice thing about this paint, because the ingredients are all edible, it's safe for babies and toddlers who are likely to put things in their mouth and taste them. So have fun painting, and if you would like to share your creations with me, you can put them under this post on our Facebook page, or tag us in social media. I'm going to show you some of my artwork. If you can see it, I made a smiley face, and it's backwards for you, but I said hi with my paint. So have fun painting. I can't wait to see your creations. I'll be back with more craft ideas for you next week. Thanks.